Previously on Screw It Garage.
There she was.
Yeah, that doesn't look too good.
Careful, Josh.
Frame's gone.
Alright, we'll pick this up again when parts arrive.
Yeah, I gotta figure it out. I should have brought paper.
See y'all next year.
Hello. Welcome to next year. Remember this? Pepperidge Farms remembers. We're gonna see if we can take everything off of this and add all this to it. Enjoy.
I'm afraid to sponsor us.
Please.
Oh, that's crusty.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. It's just falling out the bottom, Josh. Holy diapers. What are we doing with this pump stop? Can we just rip it off? I mean, you don't need it. You do need more frame though. Good. Wow. I think we're just gonna fill that with weld. It just keeps going, dude.
Wire brush.
I think we gotta take more stuff off first.
And just scrape it, see what falls.
No, I mean parts.
Oh.
We take this and this out. This and this.
Save raindrops.
I don't know. If it works, it'll be pretty sweet.
What?
I said if this works, it'll be pretty sweet.
Better.
You got some rust in my eye, Brendan.
I offered the glasses of safe.
Oh, this is a gun. I was like waiting for you to bring it over here.
He's not great at multitasking.
I can barely task sometimes. Ugh. What does this go to?
Steering.
Is it just gonna fall out?
Probably. Got my hand under it.
Okay. You got that?
Didn't fall out.
Where'd you get this thing, Josh?
Harbor Freight.
Oh,
Earthquake.
sponsor us.
That's what happened this time.
Ready? Hang on.
Oh, it smells.
What's it smell like?
Steering fluid.
Yeah, so we got the bolts out of the thing. Now I'm gonna let it down and see if the whole situation will drop right out of here. Can you give me that hammer? Yep. Okay. Holy pile of rust behind that thing. Look at all this.
You got your tetanus shot.
There's a whole mouse nest in here.
Yep, found that earlier.
Wow. Wow. Look at all this. This is here. Most, that kinda. I think we need to get stuff more out of the way. But we can get the bolts out of the sway bar now. And then we can take that whole bracket out of there. That way we can put that bottom section in. Let's do that.
I'm just going to keep my hand here because I don't
Want to fall in your face hole. Whoa.
Yeah, that would have hurt a lot.
That was danger.
Why'd you guys let me buy this?
The Jeep?
Yeah.
You were so excited.
Yeah, and you should have told me.
I don't think I wasn't more.
Look at it at all.
No, I didn't. I just grabbed it and went. Well, it took an hour to put it on the trailer.
Look, it's
Yeah, we
almost-
did that
it's
with an
almost
MR2.
awesome. At least you've done work to this, unlike the Miata that's just been sitting for
Close to a decade.
8 years. Oh shit.
Oh, crap. My hand keeps going numb.
That's okay. Just power through it.
I got some blood flow issues.
Same.
That,
Alright, now you get out.
crotch!
Mine?
Yeah.
Or yours?
Can't see my own crotch. I'm too fat for that.
Josh, you have a significant amount of stuff on your back.
So much. It's in my hair, too.
How long do you have to grind before you go deaf?
So I think it's like 20 minutes.
How long has it been grinding?
Like 20 minutes.
It's starting to fit right. It's just I don't know how far out this is supposed to be, and I don't. That might be alright. That's been good. I don't know if it's gonna reach the bottom section when we put that in though. It goes this way. It's kind of money. Get rid of this nub and a little more off this nub. And we'll see how those fit again. Look at this. Look at these things, huh? We're gonna have a good day. I don't know. There's like a pretty solid weld on the bottom of this. I don't know if I should cut back a little bit. But the piece is supposed to sit up, so I think it's supposed to be right up against this. I kind of think I got to go right along the edge of that. Good thing I wore my good shorts. Why do we wear fucking shorts? Just wiggle it along the dotted lines and the frame comes right out where it's supposed to. Okay. Well, there's less car here now. I'm thinking I should cut out the bottom section of this. Right there. What's your opinion? Cut right along here. That way the bottom plate can fit up where it's supposed to.
What is that piece even holding up?
Huh?
Is that holding up that steering or?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know if this is factory, if somebody just made a plate and welded it on here because it started to rot around this hole or something.
Yeah. Got the same thing over there.
It does have the same thing?
Yeah.
This is gonna suck. It's so much better with earplugs. Wow. No, I can't get in here. Is there a Sawzall in my bag? Looks like we got a used thin metal blade, so we'll go with that. We'll see how it cuts. Just happen to have the Sawzall. like that. Okay, I can hold that there. And if you put this up so that those bolts are lined up, then you take these nuts and put them on the other side. Front, yeah. Get through. You hold that on that side. Yeah?
Yep.
Nice, nice, nice. All right. Look, they did say that hammering might be necessary, so we could. Yeah. I mean, we could try and tap that into place right now. That'll bend this a little bit. I don't know, man. This is.
Most doable.
It's starting to like come together a little bit. This section, anyways. Don't look any further back. Just want to take a little off the end. I think that's the right end. I'm going to use this because I don't want to put my earplugs back in right now. What are you doing, Josh? Mr. Logic and Reasoning over here. Use the tool it's supposed to do stuff. Wanting to not have to have fucking...
AIDS later.
No, not AIDS. Yes, well, yes, hearing aids. Damn it, Brandon. No, but we're getting close. We're very close, actually. I'll hold that in place if you want to grab that other piece. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that's loud.
Look at that.
Something's gotta get finagled here though. You ready? Am I ready?
You ready?
Huh?
We already went through it all.
I shut it off.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
It's a lot dustier than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Tell that to my GoPro. Okay, we're finally taking proper precautions. The sand actually hurts a little bit, and it tastes terrible, so...
You should tuck that into your shirt. The one guy actually doing the sandblasting doesn't have proper ventilation. We're bad at what we do here. Brandon, you're missing the money shot. Look at all this dust that Josh is breathing in.
Let's try that.
We are slowly getting it to a weldable surface, and we're going to prime it with Not weldable primer because they didn't have it, so we're just gonna, you know, okay, Darth Vader. Yep. 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 Assume the position.
Alright, turn it on. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the surface.
I wonder if this will rust faster because it's all pitted and everything, you know what I mean? It's like really down to bare metal.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna have the primer. So.
You want to just
I'll throw a coat on it for
slap
now.
some primer on it and call it a day?
Yeah.
What are you doing with the bag?
We're gonna put it in front.
We're
The grill
reusing
right
the
there.
bags.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put it to block so I don't paint the grill. Unless I got a piece of cardboard.
So you can see what's in. Oh, I got a bag. I got a bag. I have a bag.
I mean, I feel like I could probably just paint it without even worrying about that. This thing needs a good wash.
No, it's a Jeep. They never get washed. That's how they rust so fast.
I have plastic. Ah!
Oh, good. It's out of focus.
Hey, wait, let me mask it off, Josh.
I'm doing this.
Also, you're not letting Brandon film.
You're probably spray painting the back of my GoPro. Here, give me the bag. Where's that
Figure it
welding
out.
helmet?
This is so thick.
Yeah?
Did you paint the grill anyways?
No. Maybe a little.
That's it? That's all it takes?
Yeah, I guess we didn't get that far.
Dang, Josh.
We got plenty far.
We got to the way we
Already
In 5
released
years, look at how much we've gotten done.
In part 3, it's welding time.